What's up, guys? We have another install. Today we're going to install these special edition CrossTrek dash trim pieces on our STi. These come in a gloss black and a piano black, unlike the fake carbon fiber, and then they have this red trim at the bottom. But as you can see in the back, it looks like to me like you can actually remove the red portion of it and then just have the black if you'd like. So you could get these from Subaru. Today we're gonna install them. These are actually really easy to install. All you gotta do is let's do the passenger side first. What you gotta do is just get yourself a little pry tool. Though I don't recommend a flathead, but you can use a flathead. I just use this nylon plastic trim removal. I got mine from eBay, or from Amazon rather, but you could go get them from just about anywhere. So what you're gonna do is just start prying this open from the bottom, like so. It's really easy. Like, it just starts coming off on its own. Just like that. Alright, this isn't really coming off. So, what I'm gonna do, since this isn't really coming off, what I'm gonna do is just take this panel off. Alright, so I got a little screwdriver, and I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this. And then this should just pop out. Second, guys. Easy as pie. I just squeeze this little clip and it should all come out. And then you can see here what you got to do to remove this. You just gotta pinch this and this, and then it should pop out. There you go. Got this removed just by pinching this portion down and then this one to the right. Slide this over on back. Clip there. Should line back up. Throw your little screw back on. Really easy. Grab this side piece and then just clip it back on. Here's the driver's side. Just clip it back on, same way. Just gotta grab the passenger one. Close the trunk here. This one should be really easy as well. Just snap it all back into place. And everything lines up perfectly. So as you can see, everything looks a lot nicer now with the red accent. It matches that pretty good. It's nice and red.